Hey, what's up guys? iSaurabh here. In this video, I am going to show you how to create Apple ID on your iPhone. First, open settings. Go to sign in to your iPhone. Click on don't have an Apple ID or forget it. Now click on create Apple ID. Enter your first name, last name and date of birth. Click on next. Now click on use phone number or use email address. I will suggest you to use email address. Now click on next. Enter a password. Retype password. Click on next. Now enter your phone number. Click on next. Enter verification code sent to your phone number. Now agree terms and conditions. Click on agree. Now wait for a minute. Apple ID is signing into iCloud. Enter your iPhone passcode. Your Apple ID has been created. Now click on verify email address. Click on send code. Enter verification code that has been sent to your email address. Now go back to home screen. Open App Store. Go to account. Now enter your Apple ID and password. Click on sign in. Your Apple ID has not yet been used in iTunes Store. So click on review. Turn on agree to terms and conditions. Click on next. Now enter your billing address, that is a street, city or town, a state, postcode and phone number. Now click on next. In the last, click on continue. Your Apple ID has been created. Now you can download from App Store and iTunes Store. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.